Yo, what is up, flippers? Wanted to give a quick shout out to anyone who was lucky enough to snag a Konig from the trainer drop tonight. Or if you pre-ordered a live blade a couple months back, and if you pre-ordered your live blade a couple months back, the orders are finally getting shipped out. So yeah, you should be very excited if you have a Konig on the way, because it is one of my favorite flippers, for many a reason. Really good balance to it. I really like the overall feel. And the best part is you can very easily switch up the balance and the bias by just unscrewing the little metal inserts right there. Takes like 2 seconds. Yeah, it takes like 2 seconds to unscrew the little metal inserts there and change up your bias. So you get 4 even. You get 4 different biases to choose from and to change up, which is really awesome. Same exact knife, just a different balance and weight in the handles. Gives it a completely different feeling. Allows you to get used to different biases on the same knife, which is really cool. You don't have to change construction or even texture or the mill patterns or the knife blade shape, anything like that. You don't have to go from a trainer to a live blade, nothing like that. You can change it all up right in the handles, and that's really cool. I do mostly just flip it on what I think is the most neutral weight set, which is the middle ones. I believe I have the extra long ones, and the stubby ones there. So I think I have the middle weights in there right now. You can continue switching those weights out and flipping with different biases, which is really cool. It's one of the things that sold me the most on this Balisong was the modular weight system. When I first got this out of the box, the very square, boxy handles kind of threw me off. They were a lot different from the Vortex, which I had previously. I still have the Vortex, I just got it before the Konig. But yeah, it was definitely took some adjusting and getting used to. But now that I've been flipping this for quite some time now, I actually really like the handles, as well as the shape. This gives me so much control over the Balisong, and actually just allows it to just flip really fast, which I really like. The sound, could be better. It's not the best. Yeah, it could definitely be better, but definitely has a unique sound to it. So yeah, if you were one of the lucky few who was able to pre-order the live blade a while ago, or order a trainer Konig tonight, then let me know. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns, comments on the Konig before you get it in your hands. Yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little update video. Actually, I filmed the unboxing for this, but my phone like died halfway through, so it kind of got scuffed. And then yeah, I never really like recorded a impressions or any kind of video like that, so thought I'd take the time out here really quick and film a little update video on the Konig here. I drenched it in oddly enough, NRB thick lube doesn't do all that much to the Konig here as far as sound, where the Vortex, on the other hand, NRB thick lube just makes it sound so insane. But yeah, that's for another video. What I was getting at is the thick lube doesn't seem to do much for the sound or even like the performance on the Konig. However, I found that this random lube that I picked up from, I think it was from Orion Knives, actually seemed to change up the sound quite a bit and the feel. But I think I put way too much because there's just lube all over the handles. But yeah, that's the Konig. You should definitely be excited if you have one of these ordered and on the way. Let me know what you think. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, Flippers. See ya.